Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Today we learn 2D shapes. Let's start. Heart. We are drawing heart shape, kids. It's a heart. What is this? Heart. Now we are drawing triangle. It's a triangle shape. Triangle. Triangle. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon shape. It's a hexagon. 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 A star. What is this? A star shape. It's called a star. What is this? A star. A star. A square. We are drawing a square shape, kids. A square. A square. Now we are drawing circle. We are drawing circle. Circle. Now learn some colors. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color. Let's learn. Look at this. Okay, let's learn. Gray color, blue color, pink color, green color, yellow green color, forest green color, purple color, orange color, sky blue color. Look at this. Light violet color. Light violet color. Black color. Black color. Pastel blue color. Pastel blue color. Warm grey color. Warm grey color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Ultramarine color. Ultramarine color. Let's learn the shapes. Heart, triangle, hexagon, star, square, circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.